National Forensic Science University Tripura Campus the National Law University Tripura Campus the Mission of Khwlailaikha Memorandum of Understanding Swrangchati Swrangchati Thilangno Wan Chogidong Rungni Shapsap Kamgir Tani Wan Chogidong Obhake Memorandum of Understanding Khwlailaikha Aro Manchaka National Forensic Science University ni Dagifang Dr. A.S.K. Potihari National Law University ni Agartala ni Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Y.P. Singh Agosong Bornokari Manjaka Associate Dean Dr. Orpon Dr. Rai Coordinator Kumar Das NFSU ni Deputy Registrar Dr. Jyotirai Chaudhary Agosong.
First time we are going to execute the MoU with the educational institution. We have studied NLU, but it was with the learning over taking over program, but it is a different program. It is a different program, but today it is the first time in Tripura we are entering into the MoU with the educational institute at our NLU Tripura. And for this MoU, this matter was lingering for a long time. Because whenever you execute an MoU, you have to take permission from the headquarters from Gandhinagar. Unfortunately, somewhere it was stuck up. Then one day I met our honorable VC sir, and he just advised me that we want to do it as quickly as possible. And again I kept on pursuing. And only few days back we got the approved, and immediately I have showed him the papers and he has agreed. Now we want to execute the MoU here. Moreover, the MoU with the law, I think law university is very, very important. Because you know the whole criminal justice system in our country is very, very complex. Because if you consider the law in the entire investigation process, the core is the police, investigating agency. Then comes your forensic science laboratory, then comes medical legal expert, then comes judiciary, then comes correctional services. So this is a very complex system. But the whole complex system sits over the law. So everybody is bound with the law. And everybody is an interlock. I cannot work without the police, and law cannot work without the police. So this whole chain, we are all interlocked one by one. But our objective is one. Because we are searchers of truth. Everybody is searching for truth. Whether the police or the judiciary or the forensic scientist or the medical science. So if the purpose is solved, then only we will be successful. So we are interlocked with each other. We can't work without others. So second thing, today is a very ceremonious day, is a very important day for us. It will be written in the history of our NFSU Tripura campus, and we are proud that we are going to have this MoU with the law department first time. So it is a great achievement for us. Second thing, today you must have known in the newspaper, because of the existence of law, if you have read the local newspaper, today one person got imprisoned, 20 was imprisoned because of sexual offense cases. That was also because of one law only. And one of the doctor, he had some research with some under section 376 and also some PNS cases. He is registered and his complaint has been lodged. He is getting the punishment. So without law, we are in dark. So without law, we cannot move. So law is the main thing in our society. So the entire society becoming chaotic if there is not any law. So we must give whatever benefit after the MoU is executed, we must take it sincerely. We must see that both the organization, NFSU and also the department get the benefit, because you have to learn law from them, and they also now the evidence or scientific evidence how it is built up from case study that will extend to the students also. Then only we can have a healthy criminal justice system in our country. And this is the slogan of the Prime Minister also and the President of India also. Thank you very much.